Hi guys, hope you all are well. The topic that we are going to discuss today may leave a deep impact in your life, and this topic is titled Angel Numbers, What They Are and How to See Them. Unlock the signs of the universe. Have you ever noticed repeating numbers like 111, 222, or 333 and wondered if they mean something more? In this video, we dive deep into the world of angel numbers, their spiritual significance, and how you can start recognizing them in your daily life. Learn how these divine signals can guide you toward your purpose, bring clarity, and connect you to the universe's messages. And also, if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to the channel so that you get new updates. So without wasting time, let's start talking about today's topic. Feeling the magic of angel numbers. Have you ever had moments when certain numbers seem to follow you everywhere? The clock reads 11:11. Your receipt totals $22.22. A car license plate flashes 444. These are not mere coincidences but whispers from the universe. Angel numbers. Today, we'll journey together to uncover the mystery of angel numbers, why they appear, and how recognizing them can transform your life. By the end of this, you'll see the world through a new lens, aware of the subtle yet powerful messages around you. What are angel numbers? Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that hold spiritual significance. They are believed to be messages from the divine realm, guiding you, reassuring you, or urging you to pay attention to certain aspects of your life. Think of angel numbers as the universe's way of texting you. Unlike human words, numbers are a universal language. They resonate with vibrations that align with the energetic frequencies of the cosmos. For example, 111, new beginnings, alignment with your purpose. 222, balance, partnerships, and trust in the process. 333, encouragement to express your creativity and connect with your higher self. 444, stability and the presence of your guardian angels. Why do angel numbers appear? Angel numbers appear when you're in a pivotal moment of your life. They serve as reminders, nudges, or warnings from your higher self or spiritual guides. They may appear when you're seeking answers but feel lost, during a spiritual awakening, as confirmations that you're on the right path, to warn you to change course or focus on your inner growth. These numbers are not random, they are deeply personal and tied to your unique spiritual journey. How to see angel numbers? Here's the good news, angel numbers are everywhere. The key is to be aware, open, and receptive. Here are steps to start noticing them. Cultivate awareness, slow down and be present. Often, we miss signs because we're too busy. Meditate regularly, quiet your mind. Meditation increases your ability to perceive subtle signals. Keep a journal, record repeating numbers you encounter. Over time, patterns will emerge. Set an intention, ask the universe for guidance. You might say, show me the signs I need to see. Trust your intuition. When you see a number, trust your gut. It knows whether it's a meaningful message. Interpreting angel numbers. Interpreting angel numbers involves combining the universal meanings of numbers with your personal situation. For instance, if you keep seeing 555 during a period of indecision, it's likely urging you to embrace change and let go of fear. If 777 shows up while you're working hard, it's a sign to keep going because divine blessings are on their way. Ask yourself, what's happening in my life right now? How does this number make me feel? Is there a decision I'm hesitating on or a question I've been asking? Aligning your life with angel numbers. Recognizing angel numbers is only the first step. The real magic happens when you act on their guidance. Make changes. If a number points to areas needing improvement, act courageously. Follow your intuition. Let the messages inspire you to trust your inner voice. Celebrate progress. Numbers like 111 or 888 may appear when you're on the right track. Celebrate that. Strengthen your connection. Spend time in nature, meditate, or express gratitude to deepen your connection with the divine realm. Conclusion. A call to open your eyes. Angel numbers are like cosmic breadcrumbs, leading you to a deeper understanding of yourself and your purpose. They remind us that we're never alone and that the universe is constantly supporting us. Today, I challenge you, look closer. Be present. Open your heart to the messages around you. Who knows? Your next encounter with 111, 444, or 999 might be the universe's way of saying, "You've got this." Final words of inspiration. When you begin to notice angel numbers, you'll realize life is more interconnected, more magical, and more purposeful than you ever imagined. So, embrace the signs. Listen to the messages. Trust the journey. And remember, the universe is always rooting for you. Thank you for watching the video. Do share your opinion in the comments about what you felt from this video, and what you think about this video, and Allah Hafiz for the next video.